Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory. This is going to be a 2023 Premier Solaris 230. These are great boats for us. We're going to take a step inside and look at some of the features. This boat is here at MarineMax. We're going to be your one-stop shop for everything that you need for your boating adventure. We've got an awesome pro shop with your wakeboards, tubes, everything that you need. Finance department's going to be able to take care of you, get you insurance and everything, and then our service department is going to be able to take care of you on the back end, give you that peace of mind out there on the water. Let's take a step inside and look at the features. Alright guys, as you can see on the back of the boat, we do have a 250 Merc that's going to be able to do everything that you guys need to on the water, really go out there, cruise, wakeboard, tube, whatever you need to do. It does have the ski tow bar, which makes it really easy for towing people whenever you're out there. We did option this boat with the center walk-through dual helm, so there's really easy access all the way up to the front of the boat. You've got these awesome large loungers with recessed cup holders as well, always going to have a place for your drink. Like I said, we do have the dual captain's chairs. These are nice high seat backs, and on the helm we actually have a raised helm, which is standard on our Premiers. We have a sim rad that's going to be all your instrumentation, going to show you your mercury stuff as well as chart plotter, fish finder, and all that. JL audio throughout this boat, and then also digital throttle and shift makes everything really easy on the captain whenever you're out there on the water. Finally, as we step forward, we have the same kind of lounger format that we had in the back. These are really nice. They provide a ton of seating, use the space really well, and like I said, recessed cup holders, so you're going to have a cup holder at all times, and finally a large double bimini that's going to be able to shield you from that Texas sun while we're out here. Again, my name is Tyler Smith. This is a Premier 230 Solaris here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.